Good morning, students. Today I am here to teach you how to draw the section of midbrain at inferior colliculus level. Okay, so draw it, make it easy. I have put some dots, only 4 to 5 dots. So I have put my scale straight, and to start with, put one dot here, and here I have taken 4 centimeter and bit smaller, 1 centimeter smaller below, mind it, 1 centimeter smaller below here. So here I have put 4, and here also I have put 4 on both side, because it is a symmetrical one, each and every section. So draw it like this. So now this much dot only. Okay, I will repeat it again. Put one dot here and 4 centimeter, and here 3 centimeter. So here is 4, so here also 4, here also 4. So it is very easy to remember. Okay, you can make a alter anything like this, but this and this should be similar and a bit smaller here. So 2 dots here, you know that at inferior colliculus level there is inferior colliculi is there. So I will just join these 2 dots like this. Okay, making a bulge for inferior colliculus, and join by joining these 2 dots like this. Okay, like this here. Okay, and here I will put a one drawing, like just making a house like this here. Okay, like this, right? Now I will join this line with this a bit in the middle. Here also I will put a join at the middle like this. Now for drawing the crus cerebri, I will join by making a bulge here like this. Now you can see that this is a very peculiar shape of the midbrain, making a crus. So now the drawing becomes very similar if we will join this like this. So making a 3, here I will join to make a substantia nigra, as all of you know. Okay, drawing like this, making a medially, anteriorly a bit bulge, and posteriorly a smaller. So this one is anterior side. In anatomy, always describe the side. It one is posterior. Okay, and now making a bulge for the inferior colliculus. Okay, inferior colliculus, right? Then central periaqueductal gray matter like this. Okay, okay, like this, central periaqueductal gray matter. Okay, now in the central periaqueductal gray matter, this is aqueduct of Sylvius, and here we will draw the trochlear nerve nucleus. In the gray matter, the nucleus will be there. Okay, and then this one is crossing and coming to the posterior side like this. Okay, going to the posterior side like this. Okay, now what are the other things to draw? In the center, this one on both side, medial longitudinal fasciculus. Okay, then the tectospinal on both side, and this one is most important structures at the, what is that? This is the decussation of the superior peduncle fibers. Okay, decussation of the superior peduncle, and again the 2 tract, that is the rubrospinal tract. Okay, then with the necklace, 2 meniscus, starting with the, that is the medial lemniscus, going to lateral side, lateral lemniscus, this is inferior colliculus. Okay, and in between these 2 there is trigeminal and the spinal. So this side also we will draw medial, then the lateral. Okay, lateral, and this one is the trigeminal and the spinal. Okay, and here also the reticular formation like this. So this makes the diagram complete, very easy to draw. You have to make 1/6 fiber here, 1/6 fiber here. This is the corticospinal. 1/6 fiber here, 1/6 fiber here, okay, and here temporopontine fiber, and here the frontopontine fiber, okay. One more, that is here the mesencephalic nucleus that I should tell earlier, sorry for that. So this one is the medial lemniscus, this one is the lateral lemniscus, trigeminal lemniscus, and here the spinal lemniscus. So if you will learn to draw this, you can easily draw the superior colliculus level, but some structures will be different that I will teach you further. So what are the important features at the section of midbrain and midbrain at inferior colliculus level? Main is the nerve nucleus, that is the fourth, okay, fourth nerve nucleus, trochlear nerve. Here the mesencephalic nucleus of the trigeminal, here the cerebral aqueduct, here the inferior colliculi. Joining with these two, you can make the medial geniculate body with the inferior branchium, okay, medial geniculate body, right. And here the medial longitudinal fasciculus, and then the tectospinal. This is the most important, superior cerebellar peduncle decussation, and this is the rubrospinal. And here the four tracts are like this. This is the substantia nigra, okay. So this is the most important features of the main features of the, I think the drawing of the at the section of the midbrain at inferior colliculus level will be easier for you all by seeing this video. Thank you.